Hello everyone, and welcome to Vibe and Estate Gems. I am Lola G, and I appreciate you being here. I know I'm also Vibe and Estate Gems ASMR. I honestly can't decide what I want my channel to be, so I hope you guys can just roll with it. Sometimes it'll be ASMR. It'll always have something to do with jewelry most of the time, or cosmetics, but mostly jewelry. So today, and gemstones, I'm going to talk to you about Mineral Fox. So if you don't know who Mineral Fox is already, and you're a gemmy like me and you love gemstones, whether you're a gemologist or you're just somebody who you just love gemstones, this may be someplace that you would like to shop. I'm not affiliated with her in any way, just FYI. I just fell in love with her content. She's a mom, and her, she has all these gems. And what I really enjoyed, and if you're lucky enough to get it, is what I'm going to show you here in this box, okay? Again, it's Mineral Fox is her name. So I'm just going to unbox it. Look at the cute packaging, first of all. Of course, I removed my name and everything. But I just, and if I sound strange, it's just because I'm recovering from COVID. It hit me really hard. I pray for you guys. If you're going through something physical, I'm telling you, it nearly put me in the hospital. It was bad. Between that, the medicine they gave me to cure it, not cure it, of course, but to help offset some of the symptoms, it was really, I was really sick. It was bad. So I'm still recovering, but I'm not doing this anymore, thank God. So we're just going to open the box. So this is how it kind of comes. And it's adorable. It's absolutely adorable packaging. She gives you this cute little thank you so much for you, Mineral Fox. And then it's just a little bit of a synopsis of who she is, what she does. You can go to Mineral Fox Gems. You can follow her on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. I'm not a TikTok person, but she is on YouTube, which isn't on here, but she is on YouTube, and that's how I found her, was through YouTube. Love, love, love. She sells single gemstones as well, and she has these really cool, just a lot of, if you're a gem person, you're a mineral person, you're going to love it. Now, for her, you can see crystal healing and all that. I just want to go to say, I don't believe in all that. If you do, God love you, do you well. And I'm always going to say, do you, do what makes your heart happy. I don't believe in all that, but I love gemstones because I think finding God's beauty in the earth, just as it is astounding to me. All right, and then she gives you a little card, and this is her little logo. And look at the cute little crystal point I got, which I like to hang these in my house. And I have a rainbow house because I hang these all over the house. So anyway. And then I got one of her little logo stickers, which these are actually for sale on her website. So we're just going to get into some of the things. This was a crystal scoop that I did. I just did one scoop of the Chaos, which just was a bunch of leftover gems that she does in these big buckets. And you'll see a lot of these on TikToks. I like her. She's much more reputable, I think, than some of the people out there. And we're going to get into it now. So here's the first group of gemstones. It comes in a little packet like that. There's already some, can you see some things that you recognize there? Hopefully so. All right. So let's just get into it. The first thing that comes to mind for me, and I would wear this on a necklace and one of those, it's like a cage necklace. You can buy them on Amazon. I'm really looking for one that's more sterling silver because I don't do tone because it breaks me out. But look at that piece of quartz. Isn't that stunning? It just feels good to roll it around in your hand. Now you might ask me, Lola, what in the flop would I do with these gemstones? Well, you can display them in your home. If you're into the whole healing thing, I don't know, then I guess that. But you can also make jewelry out of them, and they make really pretty gifts and conversation pieces. I actually will show you another piece here in a minute. I put gemstones, rhodochrosite, on my Christmas tree this year. Yeah, so there is a beautiful piece of quartz. The other thing we're going to show you is this tiger's eye. Now, I did, a lot of stones like tiger's eye can be carved into different things. This just came in a scoop. I would never select this for myself. This bodice of a woman doesn't do anything for me. I love the tiger's eye, but that's not a shape that I would gravitate towards. I would have rather had a heart or a mushroom or something. But anyway, that's what I got. And I love tiger's eye, as you know. And let's go into this. This is a piece I really want to talk about because this is in the calcite family. This is, some people say chalcedony. Some people say chalcedony. It just depends on what part of the world you're from and if it's chalcedony or chalcedony. This is yellow chalcedony, and it's got the striations on it. You can pick this up anywhere in North Carolina. I have tons of it just right in my backyard. White, comes in different colors. White, I think this is buffalo stone. No, it's chalcedony. It's white chalcedony. You can tell it very easily. See the waxy surface? It literally looks like wax. And it's about a 2 to a 3 on the Mohs scale. It's very soft, but it's really pretty. Just as a palm stone. It feels oily too to the touch, which is cool. And when you go out mineral hunting, you'll find a lot of chalcedony or chalcedony out there in different colors. There's a mountain lake that we go to that has tons and tons and tons of quartz and chalcedony and pyrite floating in the water. And well, the chalcedony doesn't float, but you can go to the bottom and you can pick up a lot of pieces. And this one's tumbled beautifully. Both of these pieces are gorgeous. This is a piece of Amazonite. No, I'm sorry. It's blue chalcedony or angelite. I'm not sure. Actually, I did the research on all of them and I can't remember. Here's the Amazonite piece. Beautiful piece of Amazonite. Another one that you could wear in a cage pendant or make jewelry with, right? I sneezed, I'm sorry. I'm sick, like I told you guys. Another one that really, I think, is screaming my name is this one. Look at this. Do you know what this is? This is Guess the Gemstone. This is moonstone. Look at the moon. It looks like the moon is captured inside the gemstone. Another one that I would wear as a piece of jewelry. Just beautiful. It's one of the prettiest pieces I've seen in a long time. Another piece of chalcedony, just a rounder one, or chalcedony quartz, but it has some dendritic inside of it. See the dendritic in there, which is kind of cool. This I think is either white moonstone, just not a good quality one, or it's more chalcedony. I don't know. Blue topaz? No, sorry, blue chalcedony. I picked it up and started feeling how waxy it is. It is definitely waxy chalcedony. Agate is a beautiful agate. Isn't that pretty? Such a pretty one. Let me try to get it in the light here so you can see. Isn't that gorgeous? This is going to go in my gemstone shadow box thing that I have. This is citrine. There's citrine. It's not a really good quality one because it isn't super yellow. It's kind of milky, but it's pretty. I like it. More blue chalcedony, which I think is stunning. Like blue lace agate, but it isn't. This is chalcedony. FYI. All right. Not really sure. I think it's a moonstone. It's not a good quality one. There's another moonstone. See that kind of milky surface. And another piece of tiger's eye. Really pretty. These pieces, I should know what they are, and right now I don't. Orange. Oh, I'm blank. But you guys know what it is, I'm sure. I'm sorry I don't right now. I know gemstones I do, but right now the words are gone because I have COVID brain. So forgive me on that. And I really wanted to get this done so I could put these away. But I think it's opal. It's a type of opal. Really, really pretty. But it's got all the orange in it and everything. So pretty. Obsidian. Another favorite that I would wear. Obsidian. So pretty. This is another agate piece. You can see the laciness. It's lace agate. It's got dendritic in it. Yep. And then these pieces are all blue chalcedony. Those are all waxy and feel like pieces of wax. This is charoite. This is charoite piece, which is really pretty. Purple charoite. And then we have amethyst. Not amethyst, but amethyst. Look at the amethyst. Oh, so pretty amethyst. This I would wear as a necklace too. More charoite. There. More of the orange that I can't remember. It could just be an agate and I can't remember what it's called. Moonstone. There's another moonstone. Pretty. And another tiger's eye. Don't ask me what the gemstones do and what they vibrate at and all that. I don't know and I don't care. If you do, God love you. That do you well. Just another piece of chalcedony. It might be buffalo stone too. I don't know. This one was curious to me because it looks like root beer quartz. You know? It's brown, but then it's got quartz at the top and then brown at the bottom. So it's something in matrix. I don't know. This is fire opal. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Fire opal. And then last but not least is a little citrine mushroom. Isn't that adorable? He's going in my gemstone collection as well. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm going to show you the bigger pieces that I got. I got this huge agate. He is a big boy. Look at this. Look at the bulleting on there, though. Looks like a bullseye agate. And I can't remember. There are, you know, and the agate family is vast. And look at that. Ooh, that's a pretty. Also going in my gemstone shadow box. Love it. And then we have rutilated quartz. So a piece of rutilated. Let me get it really close to the camera. Look at the rutilation on there. Right? Or it's peach moonstone. I don't know. I know I looked at Simmer and it said peach moonstone, and then I was like, that looks like rutilated quartz to me. But, you know, the rutilation's definitely there. Maybe it's rutilated moonstone, but it sure is pretty. Sure. These are called palm stones. They just feel good in your hand if you're nervous. Keep one in your pocket or your pocketbook, and you know, if you're picking the kids up from school and you need a little just chill out time, it just feels good to just touch the surface of it and just hold it in your hand and relax. That's what I like to do with it. It's super great. Now I'm going to show you the other one, the other piece that I got at Christmas time. I can show you this one, which I thought these were super cute. And I'm going to show you what she did here, because you can get them at Christmas time too. She may still have these on the website. You can look and see. It's mineralfox.com is what it is, or you can Google it. So these are rhodochrosites, or rhodonite, sorry, rhodonite. Little like teardrop or whatever, they kind of triangular shaped. They have holes, see? And then you take this piece of twine and you stick it in the hole. And I hung these on my Christmas tree, and I bought a bunch of them. These two I'm giving away as gifts. But aren't they beautiful? My friend Debbie's getting one of these. I just think these are so pretty. You can wear them as jewelry too. Yeah. And listen. Oh, there's Bailey. She's making noise. Hi, Prudy. What you doing? She thinks I have food. I just want to show you this one more time. Isn't that beautiful? It looks like a dragon's egg, doesn't it? Kind of look like a dragon's egg. Ah, it's so stunning. Anyway, I hope to be uploading more videos for you guys. I actually had stopped because I broke my camera mount, and now I fixed it and have a light too. I bought a better one. So hopefully I'll be able to do more videos for you, not just gemstones and jewelry, but also ASMR videos going forward where you're actually facing the camera and so on. But this was a face down one, or, you know, face down one, just because I wanted to, you know, just kind of display all the gemmy gems for you. Look at all the gemstones. Aren't they gorge? Palm stone, rub it, make yourself feel calm. Another palm stone, calmness. This is a little mini chalcedony palm stone. A lot of really, this one's funny. That's just not my jam. Do you? And then of course this big mama gemma. I think it's like a dragon egg, so pretty. But a lot of really pretty stones. It varies. It's really hard to get the mixes. They sell out like that. I think 20 something is what I spent on the scoop. But, you know, you can certainly, oh, Bailey's ringing the doorbell. You can certainly get other things. She sells, you know, pieces just like this by themselves. She sells agates by themselves. She has a lot of really pretty pieces. So I encourage you to go out. Look at this cute little sticker. Good vibes have arrived. Isn't that true? If you love gemstones like I do, this might be an option for you to just pick up a few. Or if you make and you're like wanting a few pieces to make with, this is a great place to start. I think your prices are really affordable. You can get on Amazon and get a grouping of things, but I think it's just fun to support a female-owned business. Look at that piece of moonstone. Love it. All right. Well, listen, that's me, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are having a really, really great Easter. If that's not your jam, stay blessed, stay well. Listen, like I said, COVID kicked my proverbial patoot this time. I'm just now starting to get better. So it's been great to see you guys and talk with you. And what's your favorite of this grouping? What do you like? What do you think's cool? I will be tagging her. I think she's awesome. And it's female-owned business, y'all. All right. Thanks so much, and see you next time.